might get it.
If you write it down, you can say it out loud as well.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, I'm not good on my Coldplay.
No.
It is Coldplay, Viva La Vida.
Yeah. Coldplay, I would say 2011.
Is the wrong answer, Tony. Georgie, it's your chance to sneak in.
I'm going to go much earlier. I'm going to go 2007.
Oh, and you're out by a year. No! 2008 is the correct answer.
What did I write down? 2008!
This is radio. Why are you writing it down? Say it out loud. Goodness. Okay.
God.
Georgie,
Yes.
Manchester United go to Watford today to try and go back to winning ways after 2 consecutive defeats. If Jose Mourinho's side win, it'll be the first time they've won their opening 3 match... Sorry.
They have not won their opening 3 away matches.
Since
Okay.
what year? Is that right?
God. So hang on, the last time they won 3 away matches in a season?
So I'll play the tune, and then I will tell you.
You tell me the question then,
Just double
okay.
check if I've read it wrong. I think I might have read it wrong. So now have a listen to this. This will
Okay.
remind you.
And I would do anything for love. I'd run right into hell and